Several opportunities coming up. Pretty quiet right now. Cumberland County, Crossville, top City Hall, looking south down Main Street right now. And temperatures starting to cool off a little bit. 49 Fairfield Glade, 47 for Crab Orchard and Lake Tansy. And we've got 48 degrees in Crossville and also into Pleasant Hill. So upper 40s a pretty good bet for most areas along the plateau, but still pretty mild. 57 in Knoxville, 53 Alcoa, Cades Cove is 50, and we've got 50 up in Maynardville as well. Touch cooler, Middlesboro, Williamsburg, you're in the upper 40s. But regardless, by daybreak tomorrow, I think we're close to freezing, low to mid 30s for most areas. A little bit of cloud cover builds in late tonight, and then it really thickens up quickly as we go through the day on our Thursday. So that's one of the reasons why we'll be a touch less warm than today's 62. Looking at about 54 for Knoxville and Alcoa, Sevierville 57, and maybe still near 60 in the Tellico Plains area. I mentioned a warm front's lifting across the area as we go through the day, so maybe a random sprinkle or very light shower in some spots, but the amounts of rain look very, very light, a couple of hundredths of an inch, if that. So better opportunities west as well towards the plateau. I don't know that we'll see a whole lot over towards the mountains. By far, Thursday night into first part of the day, Friday, is our best opportunity for rain, and then a little bit drier as we head towards the weekend. Speaking of Friday, we're close to 60 degrees for our high temperature as we get into the afternoon, because once the front moves through, should see some slightly drier air behind this as we go into Friday. A little bit of a gusty wind as well out of the southwest, so near 60 again by the time we get to Friday. Let's take a look from Thursday night. Tomorrow night, overcast but dry. Rain showers move in through the overnight, early morning hours, stopping it at 7 a.m. Going to be a soggy Friday morning commute the way it's looking. Maybe allow a little bit of extra time, and then that slides to the east. I mentioned as we head into the afternoon, we see some cloud breaks, winds out of the southwest still, so that's why we'll get close to that 60-degree mark, but then clouds come back as we go Friday night into early Saturday, but it looks mainly dry at that point. So much needed rainfall for sure with the system coming through, some half-inch to maybe 1-inch plus totals in some spots, and areas to the west that would be very beneficial as we are still in extreme drought, areas shaded in red from Morgan, Cumberland, all the way down through Bledsoe, Ray, and portions of Meigs County. What about weekend plans? Yeah, they look pretty good, don't they? Early clouds Saturday, then some afternoon sunshine, mostly sunny and mild for our Sunday itself. So outdoor plans look great both days, and temperatures are going to be on the milder side. So for tomorrow, about a third of the area sees a random sprinkle or shower in Kentucky, mid to upper 50s here. Slightly better chance down across the plateau. You're near 50 in Wartburg, low 50s Jamestown and Crossville. But as I mentioned, the further east we go, those opportunities for rain do look a little lower, including here in the valley. We're at about 54 Knoxville, but Sevierville 57, 60 in Tellico Plains, and I don't know that we'll see much at all in the way of rainfall into the mountains. Chimney Tops 47, Pigeon Forge and Walland at 58. We'll get that rain out of here pretty early on Friday, so a decent weekend. Again, we start with some clouds, then some afternoon sunshine. And look at next week. 66 Monday. Bo, I think I'm...
No. You feel fine.
I'm just saying.
Uh-huh. You'll be here.
I'll be here.
Okay. Thank you, sir. All right, still to come on to 7. First ever SEC